Software development used to be a slow, heavily siloed process. Then came the DevOps movement, which automated the deployment pipeline and introduced a culture of continuous integration. Teams could suddenly ship features at incredible speeds. But deploying vulnerable code at that velocity creates risk. To fix this, teams embedded vulnerability scanning directly into the pipeline, creating DevSecOps. Security became a continuous, automated habit. Yet, modern pipelines still have a glaring blind spot: regulatory compliance. While security checks run in milliseconds, compliance often relies on manual spreadsheets and quarterly reviews. As a release approaches, legal and security teams scramble to prove the software adheres to frameworks like GDPR, HIPAA, or SOC 2. The result is an operational mismatch. Engineering moves continuously, but compliance remains a reactive, end-of-cycle bottleneck that slows down release dates. If we successfully embedded security testing into the daily engineering culture, can we integrate regulatory compliance the same way? To make that work, we need a way to take a complex legal mandate and express it as a definitive rule, one that instantly evaluates whether a specific piece of code adheres to or breaches the law. The goal is to transform abstract legal requirements into a binary, executable engineering test that a developer can understand. This approach is known as compliance as code. Instead of storing rules in Word documents that teams only check before an audit, those policies become dynamic, testable rules. To enforce these rules, you need a specialized engine capable of parsing the application's source code against a web of global regulatory frameworks. Translating legal text into machine-readable logic is the prerequisite for automating governance without slowing down human developers. This is exactly what the Scrutora platform is designed to do. Scrutora drops into an existing pipeline using a simple YAML file for GitHub or GitLab. Imagine a developer's new code accidentally exposes sensitive data, violating a privacy regulation. When they attempt to merge, Scrutora drops a pull request gate, stopping the code immediately. The developer receives immediate feedback inside their normal workflow. The engine highlights the exact violation and provides a specific code fix tailored to their codebase. To proceed, the developer must apply the fix and raise the pull request again. This mechanism ensures that only code meeting your specific compliance requirements can enter the main codebase. This is shifting left, taking compliance checks from the end of the cycle and pushing them back into the developer's daily workflow. Industry studies show the total cost of non-compliance averages nearly $15 million, roughly triple the cost of maintaining a proactive program. Identifying these issues during the coding phase makes them significantly cheaper to fix than finding them later in production. Automating this process reduces the manual effort of evidence collection by up to 70%, turning a reactive paperwork exercise into a predictable engineering task. In this environment, developers stop context switching between building features and hunting down manual compliance evidence. Compliant code is checked in by default. Compliance operates as a helpful, automated guardrail, ensuring every step of the development cycle contributes to a product people can trust. Integrating automated governance proves that organizations can now maintain high delivery speeds while consistently meeting rigorous legal requirements.